Hello, YouTube community. This is VIP Nobody coming to you from the outback bush country of Jamaica. Yeah, man. Today we are going to do an unboxing. This is in the garage of the new outback place. This here is supposed to be hpz230. Now I've seen Linus put one of these together, and I've seen Yes put one of these together, and I've seen a couple others. This one I purchased for $38. I've been keeping an eye out for these for some time. I tried purchasing an adapter, an HP adapter, pcie to nvme, and it was proprietary. It wouldn't work in any other machines. And I also got some mislabeled RAM, ECC. Doing this one-handed, and it does look like my computer. And this came from the grid. I don't know what kind of shape it's in. It looked pretty banged up. $38. Pretty banged up. So we'll see how it comes out. Now these guys, Yes said a Xeon 1270 Xeon would make it possible to be able to use server RAM. This machine you can use server or non-ECC RAM, desktop RAM. Oh, what the? We got a Windows sticker here. Windows 7, I believe. It's sitting up front. The Z230 workstation tower, the grid. This has got a 1225. The 1270 allows you to be able to use server RAM according to Yes. Oh, we got some extra bubble wrap in the input and output ports. Let's get this undone here. One-handed, yes folks, it's possible. And it's got a few scuffs. Well, nothing really bad. I thought I saw dents. There's something hanging out of that. Feels like a piece of plastic. The front of it is scraped up. It's got Intel's Xeon V3. It's a 1225. Might allow server RAM to work, I'm not sure. But we've got a slimline DVD. Is that a ROM or writer as well? That we'll have to look at. And it's got some scuffs. This feels like it could be cleaned off. Something sticky on there is what it looks like. We have some USBs, two 3.0s and two 2.0s. Nice power button. Slim line on the front. Nothing eventful on that side. A little bit of a scuff there. Might have to give her a spray. A few scuffs on the top. Some scuffs on this side. And in the back, our input output ports. It looks a little dusty in that fan in there for the power supply. It looks like a non-regular ATX power supply, so it's going to be a proprietary power supply. Not sure how big. That doesn't mean we couldn't put a different power supply in there. It's possible, along with some adapters. But we have the old-fashioned PS2, and we've got a couple USB 2.0s, Ethernet, a couple display ports out, DMI 1, and two more 3.0s, two 2s, and audio, and an empty slot down here. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Accidentally pressed the button. Start recording. Well, it's not too bad. I thought it'd be a little dustier than this. Yes. Okay. Aha. One of these might be for that proprietary nvme to pcie. I think this one is the what you put the proprietary one in. And of course we've got two pcie slots. I imagine that's what, second or third generation, I'm not sure which. But I've got a few things in mind for this, and I have to do it in baby steps. Being your fixed income PC builder, yeah, it's one step at a time. 38 bucks for this guy. What kind of a power supply we got? Come on, baby, focus. Yeah, it's doing the same thing it was doing with the Not So Close Encounters build. Didn't want to focus on anything. Oh, there was a piece of plastic. We got an extra PCIe for 6-pin. No hard drives. Oh, it's got a bay for 2.5 inch. 2.5 inch if you want to go SSD. And yeah, nobody wants to go with any rotating equipment anymore. What kind of RAM do we have here? Come on. Why are you not auto-focusing anymore? Two gigabytes? Sheesh. This can go up to 32 according to some folks. But typically server RAM can be twice the size of desktop RAM. Like in DDR2, the most you could get would be 2 gigabyte. There are 4 gigabyte desktop, but 2 gigabytes were the normal, and you could get 4 gigabyte server RAM. So you get 8 gigabyte slots in here. 8 gigabytes would be 32, but you can get server RAM DDR3 16 gigabyte sticks, which would bring this up to 64 gigabyte total. I'm going to try that. Also the PCIe to NVMe for the hard drive, and it's an HP proprietary one, and of course max out on the RAM, and want to get a different CPU. I'm not sure this is going to work with the server RAM or not, so I won't be able to do that until I know for sure that I have a CPU that'll work for that. But that would be in the upcoming videos. For now, this is VIP Nobody, your fixed income PC builder with his Z230 HP.